Experience the ultimate gaming with the PS7000 portable game console, featuring a 7-inch HD display and 6,000 plus classic retro games. Equipped with a powerful quad-core CPU and 64GB memory capacity, this console ensures smooth gameplay and ample storage for all your favorite games. Enjoy multiplayer fun with the two included gamepads, allowing you to play with friends and family anytime, anywhere. The 6,000 mAh battery provides long hours of gaming on the go, while the HDMI TV out support lets you enjoy games on the big screen. With support for adding games yourself, the PS7000 is compatible with a wide range of classic emulator games for various consoles like PS1, CPS, NES, and more. Step back in time and relive the nostalgia of retro gaming with this versatile handheld console that offers hours of entertainment. Whether you're a fan of arcade classics or 8/16/32/64/128-bit games, the PS7000 has something for every gamer to enjoy. Elevate your gaming experience with the PS7000 portable game console and immerse yourself in a world of endless fun and excitement.